This is the Southside School of Financial Freedom Market Report and Cash Flow Account Update for the week ending January 10th, 2026. The market finished higher this week. The Dow Jones Industrial Average increased 0.48% on Friday and was up 2.32% for the week. The S&P 500 increased 0.65% on Friday and was up 1.57% for the week. The Nasdaq increased 0.81% on Friday and was up 1.88% for the week. The market ending higher this week was great, but that doesn't matter to me because no matter what the market does, I get cash flow from Bitcoin. Oh, and Bitcoin finished up 0.65% this week, which was good, but that doesn't matter to me either because I generate cash flow from Bitcoin no matter what Bitcoin does. My goal is to generate cash flow or income from Bitcoin every week by selling options on Bitcoin stocks and or ETFs. I created a watch list I use to help me select which options of Bitcoin stocks and or ETFs that I may want to sell. And looking at my watch list from the week, the strongest performer on the list was HUT 8 Corporation, ticker symbol HUT in the first column. It was up 3.61% on Friday and increased 17.11% for the week. HUT 8 Corporation is a vertically integrated operator of energy infrastructure and Bitcoin mines in North America. The company operates through four segments: power, digital infrastructure, computing, and other power generation and use services. It offers managed services for energy infrastructure development, such as site design, procurement, and construction management, software automation, process design, personnel hiring, and team building, utilities contracts, hosting operations, and other customer management, energy portfolio optimization, and strategic initiatives, and finance, accounting, and safety services, as well as Bitcoin mining. HUT 8 provides co-location and data center cloud services, which include providing mining equipment, monitors, troubleshooting, repairs, and it maintains related equipment for clients. The company has also shifted to include AI data centers and energy infrastructure, which has drawn interest in the company. What do you think? Are you interested in HUT 8 too? This week, I generated cash flow from selling 10 different option contracts that range from $65.34 to $364.34. I received a total of $1,402.40 for the 10 options contracts. Here are the sales from my account. Sorry, please be aware that option prices change quickly and dramatically. Do not copy my trades. You will not get the same prices that I got for these options. In fact, the price may not even be close. With this system, the cash flow money is free and clear. You can take it out of your account and spend it or leave it in to build your cash balance and or invest it. This strategy is guaranteed to produce cash flow immediately and every week that it is applied. However, it does not guarantee the amount of cash flow from week to week nor the value of your account. The amount varies and the account value varies. For example, this week the cash flow amount increased from the prior week. Last week versus this week. And my total account value increased 1.33%. What's the catch? Knowledge. Specifically, you have to understand option contracts. Once you have a firm understanding on how to use options with Bitcoin related stocks and ETFs, this system becomes so easy that you will wonder why isn't everybody doing it? Again, knowledge. They simply lack knowledge. What about you? How much cash flow did you generate this week? If your answer is zero or you spent more money than you made, then you need help. And I would like to help you and others, but I can't. Why? Because you refuse to listen, you refuse to read, and you refuse to learn about anything that wasn't taught to you in school. And do you know what they don't teach you in school? Money, and it's on purpose. You need to learn about money and the financial system and then use that knowledge to your advantage. That means learn how to extract money from the financial system. It does not mean working 2 or 3 jobs, and it does not mean side hustling. It means use money to make money from the financial system. That is what my Bitcoin cash flow system does. So, check back next week to see how much money my money makes. Later.